Welcome back to Primetime Sports Friday. The Reggae Girlz will be seeking to start their World Cup qualifying campaign on a positive note when they battle Dominica on Saturday at the Darren Sammy Cricket Stadium in St. Lucia. Garfield Jones has our preview.
Head coach of the Reggae Girlz, Hubert Busby Jr., is banking on his experienced players to lead the team to victory. He was pleased with the physical condition of the players on display in the training sessions.
First and foremost, it starts with the players arriving in a good condition, in a good way. So we're very happy in the timely manner that they were able to arrive into camp, and we're able to hit the ground running from day one. The attitude from the group has been spot on. I credit a lot of it to the players and leadership group who set the tone, and we're able to carry on throughout the week from there.
Busby says the younger players have integrated themselves well within the squad to blend with their more experienced teammates.
A lot of those players that you see that are in this particular camp have been with the group for the last few months or last few camps. So they're coming into an environment where they know now what the standard is. And they've sort of continued to elevate themselves within that standard. So, they've continued to raise that bar, and now because of the senior heads, they know exactly what is required of them.
Goalkeeper Rebecca Spencer says she has been impressed with the attitude of the players during training.
I think training's been at a really good high standard, and I think there's a lot of us who haven't been involved for a few camps, so it's nice to get kind of a large group of us back into camp, and the vibe is always good in training, and the intensity has gone up a notch, and I think training has been great from everyone, and everyone's shown great attitude and application towards the sessions.
Busby says having missed a number of games over the last year, it's a tremendous boost to welcome back star player Khadija Bunny Shaw.
We've remained connected as a group even when she's not been in. We've continued to have discussions in terms of what that looks like. And as I said before, it's not that she didn't want to come in, is obviously sometimes due to health reasons. And we've had really positive conversations with her club, and doing what's right for her first and foremost was always a priority. And she's come back in like we know she would, seamlessly within the group, as all the senior leaders have, and within our leadership group. And they set the tone. The players know what's are expected of them.
Coach Busby says not much is known of their position. However, he's anticipating a tough encounter.
There's not a whole lot in terms of scouting that we're able to take from them. But with that said, we know what to be expected. It's a World Cup qualifier. They'll be up for the match. We're wearing a crown that a lot of people want to knock off within the CFU. We're just looking forward to the match and, paying the respect that our opponents deserve. So, we're looking forward to a very challenging match from Dominica, and I know the group is ready to get going tomorrow at 3 p.m.
Guyana, Nicaragua, and Antigua and Barbuda are the other teams drawn in the Group B qualifiers. The game kicks off at 2 p.m. Jamaica time. Garfield Jones reporting for TVJ Sports.
Thanks, Garfield.